Why weekly reviews matter for tech skill growth.
Regular self-reviews help you spot trends, challenges, and wins in your learning journey. By taking a short time each week to reflect, you build awareness of your progress, address gaps early, and keep motivation high. Weekly reviews are especially effective in tech careers where learning fast and adapting to new tools or concepts is crucial.
Setting up your weekly review habit.
Pick a consistent day and time when you can pause and reflect, such as Friday afternoon or Sunday evening. Make it a routine, even if it only takes 10 minutes. Keep your review low pressure and easy to follow, so you're more likely to keep going week after week.
What questions to ask each week?
Effective weekly reviews focus on clarity and honesty. Ask yourself, what new skills or concepts did I tackle this week? Where did I struggle? What helped me succeed? What do I want to improve or try next week? Write down your answers to spot patterns and track real progress.
Using data and feedback to guide growth.
Track concrete achievements like completed courses, project milestones, or new tools learned. Compare this week's notes to earlier ones to measure change. Get input from mentors, colleagues, or code reviews using their feedback to set focused goals for next week.
Turning reviews into action.
After reflecting, choose 1 or 2 clear, achievable goals for the coming week. Perhaps you want to finish a coding tutorial. Reach out for a code review or try solving a different kind of problem. Small, consistent improvements each week add up quickly in tech careers.
Staying motivated on your tech journey.
Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Look back every month to see how far you've come. Sharing your growth with a peer or community adds encouragement. Consistent weekly reviews turn learning into a habit and help keep your tech career moving in the right direction.